Linking your virtual card to Google Wallet is a straightforward process that allows you to make secure payments easily. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open Google Wallet. Launch the Google Wallet app on your mobile device. If you don't have it installed, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Step 2. Access payment methods. In the app, navigate to the payment method section. This is usually found in the main menu or settings area of the app. Step 3. Add a new card. Select the option to add a new card. You may be prompted to enter your card details manually or scan your card using your device's camera. Step 4. Enter virtual card information. Input the required information for your virtual card, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Verify your card. After entering the information, Google Wallet may require you to verify your card. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process, which may involve receiving a code via email or SMS. Once you've completed these steps, your virtual card will be linked to Google Wallet, allowing you to make purchases conveniently. Enjoy seamless transactions.